Hi, this is Todd Howard with Charles Ruttenberg Realty, and welcome to my new listing at 2557 Colony Drive here in beautiful Dunedin, Florida. I want to start off by just giving you a little information on where the home is located at. So the home sits inside of Barrington Hills subdivision, which is about 5 minutes to Countryside Mall and Lowe's, and probably 10 minutes to downtown Dunedin, and probably about 15 minutes to Dunedin Causeway. So a little bit about the home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath split plan that has been extensively rehabbed. The roof is brand new. The AC is 2019. Once you get inside of the home, what you're going to see on the floors is marble. All the countertops throughout the whole home is quartz. In the kitchen, you're going to find soft close cabinets, and really the home is just very, very, very well put together. And one other thing is about 90% of the windows are all hurricane impact as well. So without further ado, let's take a look at the lot lines and I'll meet you in the kitchen. All right, welcome inside of the home. What you're gonna find in the kitchen is beautiful quartz countertops. You have stainless steel appliances. All the cabinets are all soft close. To the right of the stove, you have a nice little hideaway spice rack. Here you've got trash underneath the counter, and the rest of the house is just as gorgeous. Let's go look around. All right, that's going to do it today for 2557 Colony Drive here in beautiful Dunedin, Florida. If you have any questions about this property, feel free to reach out to me. Todd Howard, Charles Ruttenberg Realty, 727-614-3296, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.